This is the video walk around for the 2004 Ford F-350 XL Super Duty utility bed truck. It has a V10 gas engine and an auto crane. You can see the interior is in really good shape. The seats are not torn all to pieces. There's the passenger side. There's a Jodo desk insert here. I guess they had a lot of components that went in this thing. Not sure what all they had there. It's four-wheel drive. There's the selector on the dash. I'm going to start it up now. Starts right up, has cold air conditioning. It's 126,931 miles. Radio works good in it. Has just a standard AM FM radio in it. Turn it off. I wanted to show the rocker panels are in good shape. There's no rust at all. Likewise, the cab corners are in good shape. There's a little mud under it, but there is zero rust. The frame has a tiny bit of surface rust, but nothing major. I'm going to look on up in there. You can see the frame is in really good shape. And the metal under it's in good shape as well. This is a utility bed. It has a platform where they had the generator mounted. You can see where the battery went. The utility bed is a Knapheide brand utility bed. It's got a toolbox in there. This is a 9-foot utility bed box, so it's 9 foot long from the platform back, and then the width of it from end to end is 7 foot 8 inches wide. I also like this one. It has the toolbox that's built into the top as well, and to get to it, you go through the bed here. Here we go. There's a handle there. You pull down on the handle and it comes up. It has the toolbox there. It's got a rhino lined bed. Here is the auto crane. On the back, I can get it to power on, but I can't figure out how to get it to work. I had to hook power source to the lead up here on it. Like I say, I can hear the motor power on, but I can't get it to go up or down with the controller. There is a stabilizer leg that mounts here on the bumper when you're using the crane. There's a disconnect switch for it. You can see, I'll go through all the bins. Here is the passenger side. You can see again there's no rocker panel rust. You can see the tires have good tread all the way around on them. I'd say they're over 3/4 tread depth. They're really good shape. The back tires are the same. They're Firestone Transforce ATs. And on the other side, I'll show you those. They all have about the same tread depth. They're pretty much like new. Like brand new tires. Still has their little rubber thing sticking out of the tire. I'll now show you the engine before I conclude the video. You see the V10 gas. It's very clean in the engine compartment. It's hard to see. The oil on it's really clean. Looks like new oil in it. You can hear the engine idles quietly. There's no squeaks or any issues with engine noise or anything like that. This concludes the video walk around of the 2004 Ford F-350 Super Duty truck. Thank you for looking.